Hello, my name is Rachel Gipti and my registration number is UR15CS343. So today I'm going to tell you about my Unix lab 8th experiment, which is process creation. So here I have given two questions, which is creating a child process, and parents should read two numbers and perform addition, and child should do subtraction. And we have to create a child and grandchild process, and parents should read a string, and child should do uppercase of the string, and grandchild should do the reverse of the string. So I'll show you my program now. So create a file using .c. So here you can see I have given the header as hash include stdio.h, and here my main program start in main, and next here I have given id, that is int id a p, process id, that which is pid, and ppid, which is parent process id. So the present running process will have the process ID, and the PPID, that is parent process ID. So here I have given add and subtraction. So int add, comma subtract. Next printf enter first number, and scanf percentage comma and a. So scanf is taking the number from the user. And next printf enter second number, and scanf percentage comma and b. Next, id equal to fork. So here we are using fork system call to create a process. So fork system call returns the uh, child process id. So if it returns 0, it is successful. And if it gives any negative integer or negative number, that means the fork system call fork process creation of child process is unsuccessful. So here we have called id equal to fork system call. So we have created a child process here, and if id equal to 0, add equal to a plus b. So if it is created, add a plus b, which is the first number and second number. Printf sum is percentage slash and comma add. So we'll get the sum here, that is the sum is percentage slash and comma add, which we have added here. And next PID equal to get PID. So we are getting the process ID, and next printf child process ID is percentage slash and comma PID. So here we are getting the process ID and close it, then else. So if it does this, then else subtraction equal to a minus b. And next printf will print the subtraction here. So sub is percentage slash and comma sub. Next parent process ID equal to get parent process ID. So here the PID is child process ID, and next PPID, which is parent process ID. So we are getting that parent process ID, and printf parent process ID is percentage slash and comma PPID. Then close it. Now let me show you. I'll execute it. So give cc8 file name .c, then /a.out. So it is asking enter first number. So let me give 5, and enter second number. I'll give 4. So here you can see the subtraction is 1, and parent process ID is 3488, and here it is showing the sum is 9, and the child process ID is 5877. And now I'll show you the second one, which is creating a child and grandchild process, and parents should read a string, and child should do uppercase of the string, and grandchild should do reverse of the string. Okay. So here you can see I have given the headers such as hash include stdio.h, fcuntil.h, string.h, and system sys slash types.h. And here I open the main function, which is here it is main includes parent ID, which is parent process, and character C of 50, and in PID1, that is process ID. Next grandchild ID, grandchild ID 2, parent ID 2, sorry, process ID 2, child ID 1, child ID 2, CL and GC. Next printf enter the string, and scanf percentage comma and C. So when we give the thing as enter the string, so we will take it from the user using scanf percentage comma and C. So it will be stored in C. Next CL equal to 4. So here we are creating the fork system call, and if CL equal to 0, that is a child equal to 0, that is if it is successfully created the child process, Then we have to do the same. So that is grandchild equal to, we create a fork system, grandchild process using fork. So here the it is created, child process is created, and here grandchild is created. So if GC is equal to 0, that is if grandchild is also created, then GCID equal to get PPID, then GCID2 equal to get PID. Next, printf parent ID is %d comma GCID1, and printf grandchild ID is %/ and GCID2. Then printf reverse case. So here now we have to do the reverse thing. So in k equal to string length of C, and in I, phi equal to k, I greater than equal to 0 and I minus minus. Then printf a percent C or C of I, then close it, and CID1 equal to get PPID. So here we are getting the parent process ID, and here we are getting the process ID. And next printf parent ID is your CID1, so here we are getting this, and child ID we are getting here with by CID2. Next we will printf uppercase. So in k equal to strelnc, and the same thing, person B to upper, so C of I. So here we have given, so if that is creating the child process, grandchild. So after it does everything, so else here sleep 1000. So here we are making the process to sleep. So if it does not create, then PID1 equal to get PPID, and PID2 equal to get PID. Then printf child ID, which is PID2. Sorry for that. And PID2 equal to get PID. Then printf child %/ PID2. Then printf parent ID PID1. Then printf string is % comma C. Okay. So now I'll show you. I'll execute and show it to you. So here it is asking enter the string. So let me give Unix. See, when I gave the string, it gave the parent ID as 6238 and the child ID is 6246, and uppercase is Unix. So here it is giving Unix, and again parent ID and grandchild ID is 6247. So the reverse case is, you can see XINUX. So here the parent ID is 1 and child ID is 6247, and the uppercase is Unix. So this is my 8th program. Thank you.